Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, CAD with Jay. In this video, we have learn how to convert a solid profile to sheet Matel. First, we select the front plane. Then a new sketch. We draw a rectangular profile. The rectangle is fully dimensioned to 150 mm. Next, we select the complete profile. Proper relations equal, fully defined, are applied. Now extrude this 150 mm and apply the material. Cast iron material. Now a solid profile is done. Now we use the sheet Matel feature. Select Convert to the sheet Matel command. Select Face. Give the sheet thickness is 1.5 mm. Now select Corner. Select one by one all corners where we need the band in this part. Maintain corner gap. The gap is 0.2 mm. And click OK. Now the sheet Matel profile is done. Click Command Flatten is ready. Again, click the Flatten command. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.